Great leaders, let us consider our quadratic problems. We'll be looking at table of values today. Table of values. Table of values. In the previous classes, we treated finding the unknown side or finding the dependent variable. In the previous class, we treated finding the dependent variable using substitution method. Today, let us deal with the table of value. For you to deal with this table of value, gradually we are approaching the plotting of graph of quadratic functions or equations. Now, for you to be able to get your table of value properly, it is the idea that you have been taught in the previous class that has to do with you finding the dependent variable that will be applied in helping you to completing your table of value. So a range will be given to you, or the limit of the independent variable. The limit of the independent variable will be given to you. It is from this limit that you now need to deal with to help you find the dependent variable and complete the table. Look at this question, 2013 NECO. 2013 NECO. This was given to the students to write. Question 10. This aspect of mathematics appears to be the question that comes in the section B or the part B of your 1C examinations or GCE. Mathematics exams. You can see this in the part A of it. It comes at the part B and it carries more marks. It carries more marks, and only few students sometimes plot the graph or deal with the graph aspect of their mathematics examinations. That is why you are learning right now to help you deal with that in your own examinations. Now here is NECO 2013 question 10A. It has to do with plotting of graph, but we are dealing with the question 10A that has to do with you completing the table. Question 10A, this question 10A, NECO 2013. The table below shows the relation y is equal to 2x squared minus 5x minus 7. You're asked to copy and complete the table. Here's the table x, y. You have minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. What was given was 11 minus 7 minus 4 was given. You're asked to copy this table and complete the part that is not given. You're asked to copy and complete. Remember, it carries marks. It's question 10A. It has assigned marks to it. But many students will not do this because they don't have the basic idea or foundation in solving problems that have to do with completing the table of values in this form. Now you're going to apply the idea of finding the dependent variable that we did in the previous class to help you deal with this. This is an equation given to you. So you start. They've already given you that of minus 2, 0, and 3. When x is minus 2, it was 11. When x is 0, it was minus 7. When x is 3, it was minus 4. But let me prove to you that they are correct. So I don't look as if they just picked up numbers to put in these areas. No. They actually solve the mathematics the way you know how to deal with it to help them have these 3 answers that are already filled up in the place of the dependent variable, which is the y. Now, let's start with this to see get back this answer before we go to this. But if you're writing your own examination, you don't need to bother yourself with this anymore because they have given the answer. They have given the answer. They have given you just get the one for this, the one for this, the one for this, and the one for 4, and plot your graph. Let's start. Solution. Solution. When x is minus 2, from the equation y is equal to 2x squared minus 5x minus 7. When x is minus 2, what will be y? You write y is equal to 2 into minus 2 square, minus 5 minus 2, minus 7. Let's work on that. Minus 2 square is minus 2 times minus 2, which is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So we have y is equal to 8. Minus 5 times minus 2 is plus 10. And this will be minus 7. So you have y is equal to 18 minus 7. That is 11. That is it. Good. Can you see that? Right. Now let us see when x is minus 1. What is y? When x is minus 1, y will be equal to what? 2 into minus 1 square minus 5 minus 1 minus 7. Minus 1 square is minus 1 times minus 1. That is 1. 1 times 2 is still 2 plus 5 minus 7. And that is 7 minus 7. That is 0. So when x is minus 1, y is 0. They have already given us this. But let us deal with it and see how they got their answer. When x is 0, y will be equal to 2 into 0 square minus 5, 0, minus 7. 0 square is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. Minus 5 times 0 is 0. And minus 7. So you have minus 7 standing alone. Now when x is 1, what is y? Y is equal to 2 into 1 square minus 5, 1, minus 7. That will be 2. 1 square is 1 times 1, which is 1. 1 times 2 is still 2. Minus 5 times 1 is minus 5, minus 7. Then you have 2 minus 12. Minus 5 minus 7 is minus 12. Then 2 minus 12 is minus 10. So here is minus 10. That is minus 10. When x is 2, what is y? When x is 2, what is y? Y will be equal to 2 into 2 square minus 5, 2, minus 7. 2 square is 4. 4 times that is 8. That will be 8. That will be minus 10. That will be minus 7. This will be 8 minus 17. 8 minus 17, your answer is minus 9. Minus 9. So here is minus 9. Minus 9 is our answer in that area. Minus 9 is our answer. Now when x is 3, what is y? They have already given us our answer to be minus 4. But let's deal with it so you understand better. When x is 3, we have y is equal to 2, 3 square minus 5, 3, minus 7. 3 square is 9, which is 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 2 is 18, minus 15, minus 7. That will be 18 minus 22. 18 minus 22, that your answer will be minus 4. Minus 4. All they have there. Then finally, when x is 4, what is y? Y is equal to 2 into 4 square minus 5, 4 minus 7. 4 square is 16 times 2 is 32 minus 20 minus 7. That will be 32 minus 27. And what will be the answer? That will be 5. So our answer here is 5. Our answer here is 5. So now we have the values of the dependent variable. When x is minus 2, y, which is the dependent variable, is 11. When x is minus 1, y is 0. When x is 0, y is minus 7. When x is 1, y is minus 10. When x is 2, y is minus 9. When x is 3, y is minus 4. And when x is 4, y is 5. Now you have the values written down. It is from these values that you can plot your graph. You can plot your graph and have a perfect quadratic graph. These are the values. And you'll be given scores. You have a particular mark attached to this that you've done right now. So you've been able to complete your table of value as it was asked that you should copy and complete. So this is the answer that they expect you to get in that examination. So you carefully do this yourself. Carefully do this yourself. This is NECO. NECO 2008. 2018, sorry. NECO, question 9A. Do this. This is question 9A. NECO 2018. Copy and complete. Copy and complete the table. The table of values. for the relation. Let me write to that extent, please, because of space. The relation y is equal to 2x squared minus 11x plus 9 for x is greater or equal to 0, less than or equal to 5. That is it. You're asked to copy and complete. I'm going to draw the table here. Let me quickly clean here and help you draw the table so you can copy that and get the right answers. The table. Here's a table now that you are going to copy and complete. X, Y, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is 9 minus 3. So you have to complete the other ones yourself. You're asked to copy and complete the table. That is a table. Copy and complete this table. I've given you that of 0. When x is 0, y is 9. When x is 4, y is minus 3. So in our next class, we shall deal with another aspect of these same quadratic problems. But for now, copy this and complete and submit your work. Let me see your answers. Thank you.